Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing well. Um, I want to formally say Happy Teacher's Day now that I'm on camera and can formally say it. Today, I'm going to explain to you our last and final learning activity. We are almost finished with the MOOC Learning Future Learn course. And here on the screen, I'm going to show you, again, step by step, what we're going to have to do. And you're going to go to carpetas, sorry, that was a false cognate. And then you're going to go to contenidos del curso, here in folder, and you're going to go to actividad integradora 3. You're going to click on learning activity. And you should have a document in front of you, the same document that we've been using, but the learning activity 3 is a little different. It's probably one of my favorite activities because it really is like a good projection of what you're going to do after the course. The idea this week is that you're going to create a graphic organizer. And you're going to include 4 major topics. So development areas, strategies, time lapses, and goals. Okay? So the idea and the sequence is first you have to do Unit 4, Week 4, taking responsibility for professional development in the Future Learn course. After, you're going to do a reflection over the personal development and create your plan for what is to come after the course. You're going to add a specific time frame, okay, to this plan. So in 1 month you want to do another professional development course. Maybe in a year you want to do another master's. Maybe you want to go for your doctorate, your PhD, right? So what plans do you have to grow in your field? Once you finish this information, once you design your graphic organizer, may it be a concept map, a mind map, right, a timeline, however you want to organize it, you can use this link here that we have that will help you to create a graphic organizer online. You're going to upload it in a specific assignment space that I'm going to create in Edmodo, and if you do it online and you have like a link, you can just send me the link and I will grade it. This is for May 20th is the due date at midnight. And we want you to take this opportunity to complete your other assignments if you have not done so. I'm in the process of grading your videos. Very interesting so far, but I have not finished. I plan to finish late Friday, early morning Saturday. So please be on the lookout for your grade for this. Remember that we're paying close attention to those teachers, those students who have been very active in the course, who have been able to assist the synchronized sessions, who have uploaded their assignments, because remember, you will not receive your certification if you don't finish all of the assignments. Here is the rubric, like always. And if you have any questions, you know that you can contact me, you can call me, you can write me, email me, however you feel better in terms of getting a hold of me. If you go here in Edmodo por entregar, there should be, if you haven't finished all the activities, the pending activities, so you can complete them. And basically that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you guys, all of you, for working tediously. Again, I congratulate you. I'm going to check this message that I sent you. Yes, for the 21st, we're going to finish the course. So it's really important to be up to date. And Jaime, I see you said, I'd love to participate in the BBELT. I will keep that in mind. Laura, thank you. Audrey, thank you. And professors, it is up to you now to finish all of this. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate. So I will see you hopefully in the future. And I cannot wait to see your projections of your professional development, what you have in mind. Have an excellent night. Goodbye.